Today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI-powered chatbot, which is a very useful tool to solve your problems. To use ChatGPT, you must create an account. So search for openai.com and you can scroll down, click on ChatGPT and click on Try ChatGPT. Now, if you already have an account, you'll have an option of login, or if you yet don't have an account, you can also sign up. Now, once you land on this interface, you can see a couple of things that you can do with ChatGPT. It gives you examples, capabilities, and limitations of ChatGPT. You can make it write anything from lines of codes to solving any problems and asking any questions. For example, I've typed in write me the codes to build a website in HTML and CSS. Now you can hit enter and ChatGPT will give you some of the examples that you need to do in order to create a website. If you want to know more things that you can do with ChatGPT, you can quickly open up a new tab and search for beta.openai.com/examples. Once you do that, it's going to show you all of the things that OpenAI can do. As you can see, there are tons of tasks you can choose from and you can make ChatGPT to do. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today's video and I'll be back with more.